Hello and welcome to this How to Create a Facebook Ad for Business tutorial for 2020. Now, before I jump into how to create the pixel, how to install the pixel, please stay until the end. The most important crucial part is connecting everything so it works. So let's just jump right in. You've already created the account, the business manager account, like I did in video 1. So you know that in the top left-hand corner is the hamburger. It's tasty. And I know that it's the most important, as you do too. So let's just jump right in here. Click that little button under Measure and Report. All right. Measure and Report, you're looking for where it says pixels. What you'll then want to do is click on where it says pixels. So after you've clicked on pixels, you will be brought to a screen where you are given 3 options. So it says connect website actively using a pixel. So there's 3 options. You can add a code using partner integration. You can manually add a pixel or email instructions to a developer. For this example, I will show you how to manually install your pixel into your WordPress CMS, because you don't want to use too many plugins. It slows down your system, but that is an option. But I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. So what you'll do is you'll click on manually add your pixel, and what will pop up is a screen. Now, you will want to go ahead and leave this screen up, but this is the important code that you will need. So you'll want to copy that to your clipboard. Now, the very next step that you'll want to do is leave this page up. Now head over to your hosting account and log into your cPanel. Now I've already done this ahead of time. So I'm using HostGator. I use the cloud. So with that being said, once you're in your cPanel, click on File Manager. Once you're inside your File Manager, stick with me. But remember, any change, before you make a change, download, or at least remember what you did in case you have to go back, but I'm going to show you how to implement this properly. Once you are at your cPanel, whatever hosting that you're using, they should have an option for cPanel. This is what your cPanel will look like, or something very similar. The folder that you're looking for inside your cPanel is going to be File Manager. So you'll want to click on File Manager. Now, once you're inside the File Manager of your cPanel, what you are looking for is going to be the public HTML. Now, you could do it over here or you could do it here, but we could double click. Once the public HTML loads, this is what's going to show up. What you're looking for is WP content. Once that loads, you're looking for themes. So you'll double click on themes. When you're inside your themes, it'll show up whatever themes that you have installed, but click on the theme that you are currently using. Double click. Once inside, you are looking for where it says header.php. As you can see, you'll right click and click edit, as you can see here. Now, this is where you will want to put it. You'll see the top of the head and the bottom of the head. What you'll want to do is right before the header tag is where you'll want to place your pixel code. So mine's on line 7. We will click enter, go to line 7. We already have a copy to the clipboard. Hit paste. It will put in the code. Now, this is where you might want to make a backup, or before this part, but this is how you implement this very safely. If you're not comfortable doing this and you're not afraid of bloat and slowdown on your website, you can install another plugin. Or depending on your theme, right? A lot of themes or plugins or builders have this option, but I'm showing you how to do it properly, how you can just go and implement it right away. So you'll click Save Changes. After you click Save Changes, you'll go back to the page that you started from with the code creation. So after you have installed it and you have sent the test traffic, you will see here on your overview, before you set up your events, it will say status. Make sure that this is green, active, waiting for the first event. All right, so after that is all set up, this is one of the most important, crucial pieces, is connecting the ad account and the people to the pixel. Now, the people and the ad account are and or the pixel, these are all separate entities that need to be connected to that specific pixel. So let's go ahead and show you how this is done. So you'll go up to the left hand corner, and what you're looking for is under settings, click on business settings. Once you are inside the business settings, you will see a new menu. Now, once you're inside this particular menu of the business settings, this is where you're going to integrate the pixel, the account, and the ad account all together. This is a very crucial step to make everything work. So what you will do is head over here to the left-hand side and click on the icon here. I'm not sure what you would call that, but data sources. Click on it, and then you'll see a group of drop downs. Click on where it says pixels, and then you need to add people, and you need to add an ad account. So how you do that is up right here, add people. So for this was a test, so you click on the person. Now you could give them rights to just view it or admin rights. For this example, you can choose the differences. We'll do admin. And then after you assign the people or the person to the pixel so they can view it and make changes, the very next step is you have to associate an ad account with the pixel. Very important. So how you would do that is add assets. Now, because this was a test example, I'm not showing my actual accounts, but what you would do is you would add an ad account. It would be the same process as before. It would show up here. You would add that ad account to the pixel. So that's going to wrap up how to create the pixel and integrate the pixel with your WordPress website section of this Facebook advertising, how to create Facebook ad tutorial for 2020. I hope to see you in the next video, and have a wonderful day.